Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 7th, 2021. Today we're going to give you all the update price prediction for Apple stock. Now, if this is your first time watching our video and you appreciate it, you guys see how simple our chart look, and we're also giving you all a heads up as to where price is going to go. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. I want to plug each and every one of you on two perks that we are now offering on this particular platform. The first one is our apprentice perk. Here you guys can see that we have some custom emojis that we've created that we want you all to utilize to call the market right alongside with us. And not only that, you can see our loyalty badge. So whenever you comment on our particular videos and during our live stream, you'll show everyone else that you appreciate the content that we are and that you support us right here on this particular platform. Also, if you guys want to engage and collaborate a little bit further, ask us questions, look at other particular stock charts or cryptocurrencies, commodities, whatever the case may be, that is our next perk, the artisan perk. Whenever we go live, whenever we go throughout the lookout live stream sessions, you guys can really converse and question and engage with us a little bit closer as we look at any charts, multiple charts. You guys got questions, that is this particular perk you need to utilize in order to engage with us. All right, and that's only when we go live stream. So the question is, what are you waiting for? We're building a massive community of individuals who wants to predict price all without being confused. So join us. Want to say thank you to Tommy Butler. He is our latest member who has joined us. Thank you, Tommy, for supporting us. Appreciate our content. If there's anything as to regarding that you have questions about, definitely let us know. We'll try to answer those questions for you. But again, thank you for supporting this platform. So now let's speak on Apple. Okay, you guys can see what we talked about on our last video in Apple, which was right here on the 21st of December. You guys can check it out. It's in our playlist, in our Apple stock playlist. You can see that we expected a trap, which is the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. That's the trap. He is the criminal. That is the crook. He wants to take our money, plain and simple. So since he wants to take our money, we need to try to take the money right back from him, period. And if you were able to call this market that we generated, this prediction back in December, congratulations, because you took the money back from him. You grabbed the bag and you took the profit out the market and put it right back into your account. Because we expected a market in Apple to go higher in price. You guys can see right there. They did. Congratulations. So now that is done. That is over. So 7.15% profitability was taken out of the market and given right back to us. Congratulations. So let's get rid of it. And now we have a clean chart. Have one line on our chart. That's it. Just to gauge the trend. That's all. So the market in Apple is still in an uptrend. But we can also draw another line just to give us a better idea as to what occurred. So look at this. Okay. Now that's not hard. The market in Apple rejected itself around $139. So for us to see that happen again, should not be surprised. It did it once back in September. So towards the ending of the month of December, Apple stock still found rejection at $140 or around $139. Cool. So now the trap is telling us that this area around 138, 140 is restriction. He's having issues right there. Now, let's look at this market in Apple on a 3-day time frame. You guys can see right here that that is definitely some weakness on that last completed 3-day price bar. Look at the volume. We definitely have not seen any volume, at least 2 to 3 3-day price bars. We haven't seen this much volume. And for us to close on the low on this last completed 3-day price bar lets us know that there's still a little bit more weakness in the market for Apple. So now, this is the area of contention that we need to focus in on in Apple. We need to see whether or not that trap is going to come in and hold this market around $124.50. We cannot go no lower than that ascending line. Apple stock breaks that ascending line, and we're in trouble in regards to not seeing the market go higher in price and transition back over into a consolidational trading range. Okay, so the 3-day time frame looks weak right now in Apple. It looks weak right now on the 5-day time frame. We have a day and 10 hours left before the current 5-day price bar completes, and even on the weekly time frame, we're still seeing weakness. So this prediction is quite simple. We have weakness to contend with into the market in Apple. So let's do this real quick. Okay. How low do you think the market can go? So what I'm seeing already is support around 124, 125, at least into the market in Apple. We cannot see the trap go no lower than its ascending line. Okay. So we see strap in this vicinity right here. If we see strength, in this vicinity right here, then we know that this trend is still in play. This ascending line is still in play. So this is the lookout area. We need to be on guard right here in regards to seeing strength in the market in Apple, because once we do, we understand that the trend is still in play and that Apple is still anticipated to go higher in the long term. All right. So yeah, we're still going to play the weakness into the market in Apple, and we would TP the market right there around $124, which is only about 2%, but we're positioning ourselves to understand that the trap literally can come in and hold support there and move the market back up. Okay, so that's why we would TP the market right there around 124 in Apple. I'm going to extend it down just a little bit more, back down to 120 or so, 121, just to see, or under the premise that the trap can really go a lot lower than 124. And that's it. It's not hard, it's not complicated. So for all of our community members who have access to those custom emojis, tell us whether or not you think the market in Apple is weak, is it strong, and how low do you think the market's going to go? Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and just trade different.